It's a great pleasure to be here, and I would like to welcome all of you because today we're opening the first European AI data center battery factory here in Varkaus.
This is the first factory globally where our main focus is building it for making the AI more sustainable, for cutting 40% of the energy spent. It's 1 gigawatt, and 1 gigawatt of AI data center power. We are the only ones to have a battery which actually charges in less than 90 seconds. This is extremely important for AI data centers where you have a lot of peak power needed. It has the longest lifetime, longest safety. And now, if we want to be competitive in Europe, we shouldn't say that let's have also AI data centers in Finland, or let's also have battery plants in Germany. We should say that we want to be the winners. We want to be number one, what the rest of the world looks up to. In Finland, we have achieved the first 1%. Now we need to go back to execution to also make the remaining 99%. Thank you.